Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer money from Apple Pay to Cash App. So let's get started. So to do that, you have to follow this easy step. So first here you have to go, then here you have to go, then you can go into your Apple Pay account, and then you have to go to the Apple Pay here, then you can go into wallet on your iPhone, then you can click the next, and then you can connect through your bank. So here your bank is Cash App, then you have to connect that, and then you can transfer there. So this is how to transfer the money from Apple Pay to Cash App. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.